You can't talk about excellence in your prayer without talking about excellence with all of your deeds. And so this Dhul Hijjah, just as we're trying to connect deeper with our salah, let's connect deeper with all of our deeds. The rewards of Dhul Hijjah aren't limited to what we gain from personal worship. Our contributions matter more in these 10 days, just like all of our deeds, more than any other time of the year. And so if you've ever benefited from Yaqeen, if there was an article that gave you clarity, or a video that revived your faith, this is your chance to be a part of that journey for someone else. We call upon you to support the work that's reaching millions with certainty and guidance. And you don't need to give a lot. You just need to give with purpose. This Dhul Hijjah, fall in prayer, but rise in purpose. Donate to Yaqeen and support the journey of millions around the world just like you.